Good morning, sir. This is Lohitha, studying 8th class in ZPHS Dammannapet, Telangana. My guide teacher is Sampath Kumar, sir, and my animation is Rajanna smart wash basin. Generally, in homes and hospitals, wash basins are fixed to the wall. Bedridden, elderly, or disabled people cannot go to wash to clean hands or mouth. During diseases like COVID-19 or diarrhea, patients may vomiting frequently. If no one able to help patients, feel helpless and anxious. Nurses are according to health some situations due to infections. Present wash basin cannot be moved or hydrated. So my innovation is Dammannapet smart wash basin, a good solution for the problems. It is a movable wash basin, can be taken the nearby remote control or mobile. It has a touch-free tap, so no need to touch under the tap. Back of machine we fix a UV light and mop cleaner, so it keeps floor clean and safe. Patients very happy they could use it without getting up. Nurses also liked it. It made their jobs easier and safer. This wash basin useful in hospitals and homes. Thank you.
Tap a mop cleaner on the back of the wash basin to clean both wet and dry floor. It has a touch-free sensor tap. Clean the hands with mobile.
The wash stations are installed to the walls. So disabled or bedridden patients unable to get up from the bed and cannot go to wash station to clean their hands or mouth. If family members are not available to help them, their condition will be very anxious. Moreover, corona or diarrhea patients in hospitals are frequently vomiting. Nurses are also afraid to help them. We all together went to a scrap dumping area to collect a toy car. With the help of local technician and our guide teacher, we removed all the unwanted materials. We set up a mop cleaner on the back of the wash basin to clean both wet and dry floor perfectly. Two water containers are attached at the bottom of the car. One is fresh water and another one is a collected with water. The wash basin currently available in the market are designed to fit the wash, and we can adjust the height. But this wash basin has many features like it is new towel waves. It has touch-free tap which can control the sweat of patients. We enter hospitals to interact with patients to understand their problems. We explain the working method of our innovation and given a demo to them. We have visited so many houses in our village and met bedridden patients to explain the working method of our innovation. Doctors, nurses and patients are felt very happy and thrilled. Interact with patients to understand their problems. We explain the working method of our innovation and given a demo to them. We have visited so many houses in our village and met bedridden patients to explain the working method of our innovation. Doctors, nurses and patients are felt very happy and thrilled.
We can move this wash basin with a mobile or remote to a desired place. Patients can adjust its height while sitting or laying on the bed. It has a touch-free tap, so no need to touch, just place hands under the tap so water can be saved and control the speed of germs.